Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create how to make money using Gelato. Gelato is a marketplace where you can basically they provide you printing and shipping, creating your designs and shipping them to your customers. And they also have a connection, a straight connection, for example, to Etsy, to Shopify, to some other e-commerce stores. So today we're going to go through quickly how to use Gelato for your business. So first of all, when you sign up to Gelato, just basically search for getting started, and you can watch this video, for example. Now I want to show you and go to a product catalog. So as you can see, they have all of these sections of designs of products, and you can create products from here. So first of all, you need to choose a product you want to sell. So for example, we can choose a custom wall art, and as you can see, they have a lot of posters and prints and acrylic prints and so on. You can also choose the clothing. So let's choose men's clothing, and for example, organic custom clothing, and you can see the prices, where they are fulfilled, in which countries, and so on. So let's choose a unisex bestseller now. So when you choose it, you can choose the coloring, the sizing, and you can see the product price and also the shipping. So first of all, you need to, of course, choose a platform where you want to sell it. So for example, if you want to sell with Etsy, you can do that, of course. And they have a straight connection to Etsy. So when you choose your platform, you connect it to Gelato, then you choose a product you want to sell, and you create a design somewhere else. So for example, on Canva, you can create designs here and then go to Gelato and upload them. So let's choose, let's see what are the specifications of this t-shirt. So here it is, the sizing of it. And now the file specifications. So file specifications in inches. For example, if you want to add your design on front, you have to make 12 times 16 inches. You can also download a print file. You can also choose a metric system. So we will create a design that is 12 times 16 inches size. And I'm gonna choose Canva to do this. So basically you write down on Canva custom size, choose inches, and write down 12 and 16. And here it is. You now can create your design for your t-shirts. So let's choose a black font and go to the uploads. I just uploaded a design, some designs. We can choose something for Halloween, maybe. Let's create some design. Let's copy and paste. So for example, I want to create something like that. So after that, I'm just gonna download this file as maybe PDF print would be better. But for now, I'm just gonna, well, let's choose a PDF print and download it. and then I'm just gonna upload it to Gelato. Now let's go here and click on start designing. When you have your shop, you can also go to your stores and then go to your store and then create a product like that. I think that would be way better, but now I'm just gonna show you how to do that. So you drop your design here, so you just upload it to your files. And as you can see, it has uploaded. The sizing of the file is good, and yeah, that's how it looks like. Of course, it's nothing special. I just created it in a few seconds, so don't judge me. Now I just as I uploaded it, then I'm gonna continue to mockups. And here you can see the mockups are pretty nice. You can choose the ones you like. You can of course choose a few ones. And so the main could be like this. And then you're gonna continue to details. You're gonna write down here your title, your description, add all of the tags, and you can also click on show your product to store visitors if you're not gonna edit anything else. And you can also do a free shipping on your storefront, but then you will need to make it way more expensive to cover your shipping costs. After that, you're gonna continue to prices, and here you're just gonna write down all of your prices for every single sizing. Of course, you need to see how much the product costs. So for example, for all of these, yes, you need to put the same prices, but if the bigger one costs way more, then you will of course need to edit it also for yourself. The shipping costs are €4.50, but for me it's $3.88 because I have a Gelato Plus subscription. And yeah, you're just gonna basically write down the prices which you want, and after that you're gonna just publish it to your store. So that's basically that's how you use Gelato. You can choose whatever products you want to, and choose the platform you want to. So let's go back to the Gelato dashboard, and I'm gonna show you what platforms they have. And here are the some stores which you can connect. So direct integrations are with Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, and BigCommerce. Also, there are some other integrations which you connect one of the e-commerce platforms below to Gelato to start fulfilling your orders through our print network. And this is also the direct integration is Gelato. Connect Gelato to automatically manage products. So basically, to automatically manage products, they have integrations with these 6 stores. If you want to use, for example, Amazon, you will need to do it manual, I believe. So, but they have lots and lots of integrations. They have also custom integrations you can use, and yeah, that's basically it, guys. You can also check out their step-by-step guide, and if this video was helpful, how to create products and how to use Gelato for your business, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.